You search for how to buy shares of Bang Olufsen AS. Bang & Olufsen is a Danish maker of premium audio equipment listed on CBOE EU as BO. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you'll verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search and type the ticker BO.co to locate the company. Select the result that corresponds to Bang & Olufsen AS to ensure you have the correct listing. On the stock page, check Basic Company Information and the price chart to confirm the instrument. Make sure the page shows Bang & Olufsen AS and the BO.co ticker before proceeding. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set for market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you to add money before confirming. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft CTA. Find the link to eToro in the description to follow the same steps.